In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add rows in Coda so you can start building out your tables with new records, whether those are tasks, projects, customers, or any other type of data you're tracking. Coda is a powerful all-in-one doc that blends documents, spreadsheets, and databases, and being able to add rows quickly is one of the most fundamental skills you'll use every time you work with a table. If you find this helpful, please like and subscribe, and let's get started. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and head over to coda.io. Once the page loads, sign into your Coda account using whatever method you have set up, whether that's Google, Microsoft, or your email address. If you're already signed in, you'll land right on your workspace dashboard, which shows all of your documents. This is your home base, and from here you can open any doc you need to work on. Now locate and open the specific document that contains the table you want to edit. Once you're inside the document, navigate to the page where that table lives. Take a moment to look over the existing rows so you can see how your data is currently organized. Notice the columns and the type of information each one holds, things like names, dates, statuses, priorities, or any custom fields you've created. Understanding this structure will help you enter consistent and accurate data as you add new rows. Scroll all the way down to the bottom of the table until you reach the very last row. Right below that final row, you'll see a small button that says Add with a plus sign. This is your entry point for every new record you want to create. It's always visible at the bottom, so you never have to hunt for it, even if your table is growing quickly. Go ahead and click that Add button. Coda will instantly insert a fresh blank row at the bottom of your table. You'll see empty cells stretching across the entire width of the table, one for each column. This is where you begin entering your information. Each cell corresponds directly to a column, so clicking into a cell lets you type in a name, pick a date, select a status, or whatever other data your table is designed to store. Start filling in the first cell of your new row, then move across to the next one. If your table uses different column types, like checkboxes for completed tasks, select lists for priority levels, people columns for assigning team members, date columns for deadlines, or even formula columns that calculate automatically, you'll enter the appropriate value for each field. For example, if you have a status column with options like not started, in progress, or complete, simply click the cell and choose from the drop-down. This is where the real power of Coda shines, because those column types help keep your data clean and consistent from the very beginning. As you finish one row, you can repeat the process for any additional records you need. Just click that Add button at the bottom again, and you'll get another blank row ready for data entry. You can do this as many times as your table needs, whether you're adding one new task or 50 new customer entries. There's no limit, and it's always just one click away. While you're adding rows, it's a good idea to periodically step back and review your table to make sure everything is accurate and well organized. Consistently entering information in the correct columns will pay off big time when you later sort, filter, or analyze your data. For example, if you always put a due date in the date column and a priority in the priority column, you'll be able to filter for high priority tasks due this week in just a couple of clicks. But if data ends up in the wrong column, you'll have to clean it up later, so a little care up front saves a lot of hassle. One of the best features of Coda is that it automatically saves your changes, so every new row you add is saved instantly. You never have to worry about hitting a save button or losing your work if you close the tab by accident. This allows you to focus entirely on building and maintaining your data without any friction. Well-organized rows truly form the foundation of an effective Coda table. As your projects expand, maintaining consistent and complete records will make your documents more useful for tracking progress and collaborating with your team. The better you set up your data entry habits now, the more powerful your tables become over time. So before you move on, take a second to review each new entry and confirm you've entered accurate information. If you need to remove duplicate or outdated records later, that's easy too, but preventing them in the first place is even better. You've now learned how to add rows in Coda, a skill that will serve you every time you work with tables. Whether you're building a project tracker, a customer database, or a simple to-do list, you can confidently grow your data one row at a time. Thanks for watching, and if this helped you, consider bookmarking the video so you can revisit these steps whenever you need a quick refresher.